This is Becky Campbell with English Paper Piecing Made Modern. I'd like to show you how to machine piece the star points to the diamonds in the Passacaglia quilt pattern. So I have the self-stick template on the wrong side of the diamond. I'm going to flip it over and take a star point, and the wide part goes here. Just line it up to the edge. Flip it over, and I'm going to set my needle down at the top of the paper template, and my machine is going to tack for me at the beginning. I'm going to sew along the template to the corner. I'm going to reverse, cut the thread, and trim my other threads. Let's see, open this up like that and set another piece in. Flip it over because I want to be able to see the template, sew along it so I'm not sewing through it, and it gives me the perfect shape. Set my needle down, tacking at the beginning, and sew right to the tip of it, reverse, and cut my thread again. I like to trim as I go so that it reduces the amount of threads. We have that. Put another one down. Get it in here so you can see it. Flip it over. Set my needle down on the point. Drop my foot. Sew along the edge. Reverse. Cut the thread. Trim. Open it up. And we'll put the last one on. Just lining them up along the edge, flipping it over. I'm trying to keep my hands out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Set my needle down. And repeat. These are reusable until they no longer stick, and you can get 5, 10, a lot of uses. So you can see that I have pieced that, and this one's a little tight, but when you're working on camera, sometimes you're just trying to get it in there for you to see. But it'll still work. And then I will show you how to do the pentagons that go right in here.